Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop. Welcome to the Custom Diecast Renegades and Hoodlums Custom Truck Challenge presented by Gunslinger Garage. There are a lot of prize packages this time around. Gunslinger Garage, free car, El Camino, first place, second, and third, Amazon gift cards. William Mr. K7 Robinson giving away a K10. Howard from Big Paw Garage is giving away some trophies and a bag of 3D printed parts to the top three. Kristen Stanaland is giving away some mint inbox Hot Wheels, first place, second place, and he's also giving away a Hot Wheels car to the third place winner. Kenny Terry from Waterslide Decals is giving away a $20 gift voucher for decals for first, second, and third place. We have a custom diorama by Chris Smith. This thing is unbelievable. Also have a first place prize custom monster truck from Joe Patton. We have a Real Riders Bone Shaker donated by somebody I cannot remember because my computer crashed. Donated by Dustin Winsell. We have first and second place Bone Shakers Baja version. And the winner gets every single entry. Alright, welcome to round 2, part 2. Obviously I'm breaking this up into 2 parts as well to make it easy for voting. So, round 1 saw a bunch of good trucks go home, and we're going to see a bunch of trucks that got a free pass last time have to work it out and fight it out this time. Number 2, Rusty Repu Shop Truck. Repu meaning rotary engine pickup. This is a customized Hot Wheels Mazda with a wood plank bed, bronze 6-spoke Real Riders, and British Racing Green. It's seen many, many better days. Number 18, Desert Rose 71 El Camino. Custom paint with racing stripes, clear plexiglass tonneau cover that's removable, lowered front slightly, raised rear drastically, added side pipes using M2 tires and wheels, and it's painted with Tester's root beer and Rust-Oleum metallic rose gold. Number 7, the Snake Plissken Speed Shop. 62 custom Chevy, green and white Createx paint with red pinstripes, Real Riders from Treads Hobby, custom grille, styrene bed cover, and the engines from a tuned 68 Mustang by Hot Wheels. Number 20, the Fightin' Titan, a once proud show truck that's been neglected and left abandoned. Hole cut in the hood for a supercharger, custom paint, interior has been painted warm caramel, rust effects on all of the paint, weathered chassis, wheel and tire swap, and new exhaust tips made out of aluminum. Number 3, Willie's Rat, dually wheel swaps, shaved bed, fenders, added dual hood stacks, added front bumper, added spacers. This thing is crazy. Number 26, A100 Dodge Punk. Dodge pickup truck with the steampunk theme. Lots of brass, copper, orange, silver, Real Riders. This thing is decked out to the max. Number 1, Scrambled Egg. This started off with a black wall casting Jeep, and it was painted with duplicolor metal cast blue over a white base. Nutmeg brown interior, second chance red line decals, and wheels and tires are Real Riders off a Jeep Wagoneer. Number 23, 83 Silverado Pro Street. 3D printed engine and wheelie bars, highly detailed interior, red with white stripes. Wheels are off a 55 Chevy Gasser. Alright, so how to vote. All entrants are anonymous. Nobody's supposed to know who built what. To vote, comment below. Enter the numbers of your choices. For example, 1, 2, 3. The numbers that you enter all count. So please make sure you vote on each single competition. Don't just put one number down because you think he's going to win, the whole thing. So those will be discounted. So please make sure to vote in each and every single competition. Number 2 or number 18? Number 7 or number 20? Number 3 or number 26? Number 1 or number 23? Voting is open for 24 hours. Last time we figured out the 90% of the votes came in within 24 hours. So after 24 hours, I will be shutting comments off and tallying them up. Please make sure you vote. We have a bunch of great cars in here and trucks. Everybody did a wonderful job. Let's honor them and encourage them by making sure we all vote. Thanks, and I'll catch you on the next one.